Good morning and welcome to Knee High Connections. My name is Miss Porter and we are going to go over some alphabets and phonics. Now, when I do this, this means to repeat after me. And I would do this, I'm listening for you to repeat after me. So I know I can't really hear you, but we're going to pretend, okay? So our first letter is A. A is for apple. B is for bird. C is for cat. D is for duck. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for goat. H is for horse. I is for igloo. J is for jug. K is for kite. L is for leaf. M, monkey. N, nest. O, octopus. P, pumpkin. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, skunk. T, turtle. U, umbrella. V, Valentine. W, watermelon. X, X-ray. Y, yarn. Z, zebra. Whew, that was a lot. Those are a lot of alphabets. So now we're going to do some phonics. Can you repeat after me, boys and girls? A is for apple. A, A, A. Very good. Good job. B is for bird. B, B, B. Very good. Good job. C is for cat. K, K, K. Very good. D is for duck. Duh, duh, duh. Good job. E, elephant. Very good. Yay, you did very good. So, you get a thumbs up and a heart. Thank you for visiting with me today. We're going to be doing some more learning techniques. I'm going to let you go get you some refreshments. And I hope you come back to visit with Knee High Connections again. Bye-bye.